marks. First, let us understand that basically there are 5 basic vowel letters in the Nyepo language. Out of the 5 vowel letters, which make the 5 vowel sounds, 14 more sounds are created to make 19 in total. This is something that we should be mindful of, because previously when we were talking of the Bari language, we are presented with only 6 vowel sounds, which are inadequate to put down the Nyepo language. The number 19 sounds huge, yet we use these sounds every day when speaking in the Nyepo language. In the Nyepo language, there are only 2 types of tonal marks and 1 special vowel quality for the letter O. Let us look into those marks, those tonal marks. The first one here is known as diaresis. That one is those are the 2 dots put on top of a vowel letter, as seen in this one. We have A, then E, then E, then U, to differentiate from the normal A, E, O, and O. The second one is the acute. This is used for indicating the glottal stop. In other languages, the glottal stop is indicated using the question mark sign without the lower dot. In others, it is indicated using an apostrophe, as in the Tagalog language. For those of you who have a little knowledge in the Arabic language, the glottal stop is what is called hamza. What is called hamza in the Arabic language, and it looks like this. It looks like this. Let me expand it so that all of us will be able to see this one here. This one here is what we call hamza in Arabic, and it is what is called a glottal mark. It is used for indicating the glottal stop. But in the Nyepo language, we propose to use the acute to indicate the glottal stop. So this is how these letters will be pronounced when the glottal stop effect is put. The first one here is A. The second one here is E. The third one here is E. The third one is O. The fifth, this one is the fifth, is O. to differentiate from a, e, I, o. The first one here, this is the diathesis. The letters are a, I, e, and u, to differentiate from e, I, o. Our third mark is the diathesis plus the apostrophe. So the apostrophe is added because you cannot add the acute and the diathesis at the same time. So the apostrophe is added instead of the acute. So the apostrophe here has the same effect as the acute, but you need to make sure that you apply the diathesis effect together with the glottal stop effect. Let's go. We have a, then I, then then lastly u. The last one in this presentation is, in examples of the vowel sound, is the open O. This is pronounced by making a hollow mouth when pronouncing. That means you need to round your mouth properly when pronouncing a word. So this one will be will be explained in detail in our next lessons. So today we're going to take the lesson slowly so that it is well understood. Meaning we are going to take one or two vowel letters with their vowel sound values at a time. Today we are taking the letters A and A. First, let us take the letter A. So the letter A, or the sound A, only has one sister sound, which is A. This is A. So you need to be able to differentiate between A and A. If you are not able to pronounce the sound A, you need to hold your throat while pronouncing A. A. So let us take some example words. Some example of words using the sounds. The first one here is nga. The second one is ma. So these two words are written using the sound of a. Our third word here is nga. The other one is ma. Ma. So you need to be able to differentiate between nga and nga. Also ma and ma. So we are supposed to take one letter at a time, but due to the fact that the letter A only has one sister sound, we have decided to add the letter A, which has the sound A. So the sound A has three other sounds. That's to say A, then A, then E, and lastly A. Example: ke, but if there is no word, if there is no Nyepo word, if it sounds like that, we'll change this one to, we'll change ke to me. We'll change ke to me, so that we'll have me and men, as in menda. The third word here is ke. The fourth one is men. The fifth one is ke. The sixth one is me. The seventh one is ke. So you need to be able to differentiate between ke and ke. Lastly, we have lele, having two syllables. The first syllable is le, while the second one is le. Opposed to lele, if the marks are not indicated. Thank you for listening. So if there are some questions, you are free to ask. So in our next lesson, we are going to look into the letter E, which is letter I in English. Goodbye.